Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Before starting the video, I just want to make a small request to you guys. As we all know, mankind is going through one of its most toughest times. From one side, there is COVID-19, on the other, there is people dying off due to diseases, poverty, starvation, and also during their long migrations to their natives. It all seems to be falling apart at times. Turning on the news every day and seeing that the situation is worsening is pretty sad, and at the same time it's terrifying as well. Who would have thought that the world would be turned upside down in a span of literally 4 to 5 months? A request to you all that is that if you know any such people who are struggling with the lack of basic needs, please help them in some way. Money isn't always a form of help. You can always make sure of their well-being by giving them food, clothes, shelter, etc. Let's hold out hope to our fellow beings, stand together. I mean, not literally together, by heart. And as I always say, these times too shall pass. Coming back to today's video, today's topic is don't be a football to others' opinions. So, what does this mean? This means that in a normal situation, I did something, I think you should try it as well. And we blindly follow, whether we like it or not. Over time, if this continues, what happens is that we literally become a football to be kicked around by anyone and everyone on the basis of their opinion. We don't like to be that, right? If you are someone who is watching this video and is going through such an experience, I say please get out of it, because in the long run, this habit of running around and asking or blindly following others' opinions will land you nowhere, or it will get you in a place where you are not quite happy with yourself, because that suggestion or opinion of others which landed you in this place is not what you wanted at the first place, right? So there is always an exception for this. Sometimes these suggestions or opinions can get you places where you wanted to be, but this, as said earlier, happens in the rarest of cases. I say this blindly following others is a bad habit because it hampers our own personality. What happens is that over time we become less of ourselves and more of others. So, what should you do? Whenever opinions about anything that others give you, think about them in these three questions. Do I really need to do this or follow this? Is it apt for me, and in the long run, will it be fruitful to me and true with myself? This will help you to choose whether it is best for you or not. Maybe when you're answering to these questions, you might find something which you really like, something that you really enjoy, and move forward with it in whatever you are doing. I just follow this small phrase whenever I'm confused with something and need others to help me out. That is, suno sabki, karo apne dil ki. I accumulate all the suggestions, opinions given to me by others, analyze them as said earlier, and choose whatever is best for me. I mean, everybody does that, right? Follow their heart in whatever they are doing. This habit of following your heart to choose whatever is best for yourself is a good habit, because in the long run, this will help you in not being a football to others' opinions. Now, I just said follow your heart and make your own decisions, which is always best for yourself. Now, this isn't always the scenario in life, and this also doesn't mean that you don't follow advice, especially the ones which are given by our elderly. Opinions always come with a choice, a world for you to explore, but that is usually not the case with advice, because it comes from a person's experience in life. Whatever said has to be done by you, and knowing that it will always be the best for you. So, moral of today's video is to choose whatever is best for you and don't always blindly follow others. Mold your own personality, right? Be yourself in whatever you are doing. So that's it for today's video. Hope you find this video inspiring and helpful in some way. If so, please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe, and please hit the bell icon so that the next time I upload a new video you get notified. Okay, So this is Pranav Sudendran, and until the next time we meet, peace out.